Plastic is a significant invention for our modern world. It plays an important part in everyday life and allows us to manufacture products at economical costs. It helps to make our life easier, and it's impossible to imagine our world without it. Most plastics are manufactured from fossil fuels such as oil. These fuels are broken down into simple monomers like ethylene. They go through a process called polymerization to form polymers like polyethylene. They are often blended with more chemicals to help improve the properties of the plastic. The final plastics then fit into two categories, thermoplastic and thermoset. Thermoplastics melt and can be moulded when heated. Thermosets cannot be remoulded when heated, like a car tyre. Polymers have properties determined by the chemical structure and molecular weight of the polymer. This determines whether the polymer is brittle, plastic, or elastomeric. Polymers are often chemically resistant, great thermal or electrical insulators, and lightweight with varying degrees of strength. Polymers can be identified using the resin identification code. Number 1 is polyethylene terephthalate. Number 2 is high-density polyethylene. Number 3 is polyvinyl chloride. Number 4 is low-density polyethylene. Number 5 is polypropylene. And lastly, number 6 is polystyrene. Polymers cause a set of environmental impacts at all levels of production. Polymer manufacturing produces greenhouse gases, and the consumption of polymers results in substantial quantities of waste. In 2017, Australian households generated 1.2 megatons of plastic waste, with only 12% of this waste recycled. This means the waste has accumulated and is becoming a serious problem for our oceans, our natural environment, and our urban environment. Plastic waste is affecting the quality of our global ecosystem. So, what are we going to do about the problem? A solution is to follow the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. We need to reduce the quantity of waste, reuse already manufactured materials, and recycle where we can. It's time for us to start thinking like engineers and redesign the current cycle for plastic waste. What about creating a polymer that degrades easily but doesn't affect our environment? Or produce biodegradable polymers from agricultural waste? Could it even be possible to recycle plastic back into oil? Something must be done to help the plastic problem in our environment. The possibilities are endless, and we have the ability to help.